Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 1 of April. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so starting off, you guys already know I start off with my bills first, and electricity is getting as usual $50. Next is car insurance, and car insurance is getting $45. Alright, on to my cash envelopes. Alright, so starting off, I don't have any rollover money from last week, so we're just gonna be stuffing our envelopes. So groceries is getting $120, so we're gonna get 120. Okay, next is gas, and gas is getting $20. We're not planning to go anywhere this weekend, but next weekend, guys, is Cambodian New Year's. So around that time, we have like a big event where there's lots of vendors and they sell food, desserts, snow cones, clothes, and like everybody gets together for the weekend, and there's like a small ceremony going on, and during that weekend like we also get blessed too. So I'm excited because it's gonna be my culture's New Year. So I love April, and that's like one of the big things we look forward to in April. So next is spending, and spending is getting $20. Like the food they have is like chicken on a stick, marinated chicken wing on a stick. They have beef on a stick, papaya salad, sticky rice. So yeah. Beauty isn't getting stuff, and giving isn't getting stuff either. So on to my sinking funds. Alright, so starting off with Lanesia is getting her usual $25, and I'm not stuffing every envelope this week, so you guys will see what I won't be stuffing this week. So Lanesia's getting her $25. You guys, I did a refill with polygel for the first time, and I am loving it. I needed some bling, so I added some bling, and I think it came out really cute. Alright, so Lanesia has a 6,000, 7,000, 50, 70, 95. So Lanesia has $7,095. So I am filming with something different at the moment. I usually film with my iPhone 11 Pro, but right now I am using the iPhone XS Max, and I'm gonna see how it goes. Just testing it out for this video. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is getting his usual $25. Okay, so Jaden has 6,000, 5, 6, 7, 800, 50, 70, 95, 900. Jaden has 6,900. Okay, next is family time, and family time is getting $60. At the moment, we don't have anything in family time, and I wanted to stuff a little bit more this week just in case we do decide to go somewhere this weekend. I'll have at least $60 in it. Okay, and drip isn't getting stuff, but I'm gonna count and see how much we have in drip. So we have $50, $60, $5. Okay guys, on to my emergency fund binder. Alright, so my cash emergency fund isn't getting stuff. We do have $2,000 in there. Home emergency fund is getting $175. So 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, and a 5. So let me just count that just to make sure we have 175, 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 75. Alright, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8,000, 500, 9,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 50, 500, 50, 70, 90, 610, 625. So we have $9,625 in my home emergency fund. Alright, next is my car emergency fund, and we're not stuffing that this week, but I'm gonna count and see how much we have in car emergency fund. So we have 1,500, 6, 700, 20, 40. So 1,740. You guys, I'm already looking at car parts, and OMG, it is so expensive. Car parts. Next is health, and health is getting $5. We have 500, 6, 7, 800, 20, 45. So 845 in health emergency fund. I had went to the ER last week, guys. I wasn't feeling well. I was having a lot of discomfort in my lower left abdominal area, and they ran some tests, and I went through a CAT scan, and it wasn't nothing serious. It was just inflammation and stuff. So all I had to do was just take painkillers and just wait for the pain just to go away. And now a week later, I'm like feeling 95% better. It's just a little bit discomfort now, probably like a 1 out of 10 pain level. It's nothing crazy, but I'm just happy, like, you know, I feel a lot better now. So I just, you know, I had to get that checked just to make sure it wasn't nothing serious. Alright, on to my pink binder. Alright, so Christmas is getting $10 this week. I know when the time comes closer for Christmas, I'm gonna be stuffing this a lot more, but as of right now, I'm very focused on my home emergency fund because our goal is to get a new house by 2023. So I'm trying to save up as much as I can in my home emergency fund. So all the other second funds is gonna get a lot less. So we have 1, 200, 20, 40, 55. So 255. Okay, and next is back to school, and back to school is getting $5. I brought out my bangles, guys. I missed them, my 7 bangles. Invest is getting $20. Oh, actually, Invest is getting $10. My bad, guys. And then Gifts is getting the last 20. So we have 20, 30 in Gifts. And our 52 weeks saving challenge isn't getting stuff. Oh, you guys, I completely forgot. We gotta scratch off our scratch off challenge. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright. So I'm gonna check if I have a coin. Hold on real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna scratch off this one. This is $35 out of gold. And then we're gonna scratch off. We didn't do nothing out of this row, so let's just scratch something off of this row. So 35 plus 165 is $200. Oops, my bad. So 165 out of diamond and 35 out of gold. And before I let you guys go, I'm gonna do a nail cam so you guys can see my little artwork that I did a couple days ago. So this is a poly gel, guys. I was just playing around with gems, guys. I needed some bling on my nose this week. And then on the thumbs I have 8 gems. I originally wanted 9, but I just already put 8 and I felt like it was already long enough, so I didn't want to put an extra one. But fun fact, guys, 9 is my favorite number. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.